Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in the Brave browser. Whether you're tired of the default look, or you simply want a more personalized and visually appealing browsing experience, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Brave browser and click on the three vertical lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Once you're there, scroll down and click on Settings. On the left side, look for the option labeled Appearance. This is where you can adjust the look and feel of your browser. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, click on the option called Themes, which will take you directly to the Google Web Store. Here, you'll find a wide variety of themes to choose from. There are literally hundreds of options. Browse through the themes until you find one that appeals to you. Once you've selected a theme, click on it. The theme will be applied automatically, and you'll instantly see the new look on your browser. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Brave browser is up to date, and check that you're signed into your Google account if you want to sync themes across devices. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent any issues. Once you've applied your new theme, you can continue browsing with your refreshed look, or try out different themes until you find the one you love the most. It's also a good idea to occasionally explore new themes, as developers frequently add fresh designs. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change the theme in Brave browser quickly and easily. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it.